Hi guys, this is Otto from Motorize It, and today I'll be showing you how to adjust the lowest position on an Oximo RTS motor or any other RTS motor from Somfy. You can do that very easily. You first need to position the roller shutter, in this case, in its lowest position, which I'll do now. So you can go no lower. Check it again. This is the lowest position. And it's very important that the motor can reach this position, otherwise you cannot adjust it. So if it rolls down too low in the first place, there's no way to adjust it this way, and you need to go back to the factory setting. So a full reset and then start again with setting the limits. That's not necessary now because I can reach this position. So I'll adjust it, which I do by pressing the up and down button at the same time until the motor responds. So you keep holding it. As you can see, the motor responded now by going up and down. So I can now press down if I want the position to be lower, or I can press up if the position needs to be higher. Once it's in the right position, which I'll keep it in now, I just press the My button until the motor responds again. So you just press it, hold it until the motor responds. And this is now the new lowest position. You can adjust it again and again anytime you want, as long as you can reach the position as I mentioned before. You can also adjust the top position, but that's for another video. If you have any questions, let me know. You can leave a comment below, or you can go to the website, which is www.motorize.it. Thank you and see you next time.